Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a nice toy called Newton Cradle. If I release one ball from this side, it jumps another ball from the other side, and it's conservation of energy and momentum. So I can play with two balls from one side, release them, and then two balls jumps from the other side. I can do it with three balls. If I take three balls from one side and release them, then three balls jump from the other side, and even I could do it with four balls. I release four balls, then four balls jump from the other side. And it's conservation of energy and momentum. Why it's conservation of energy? First, if I release a ball from a certain height, then its potential energy turns to kinetic energy. When it hits, it transports the energy to other balls, and then kinetic energy is turned again to potential energy, and vice versa. Of course, this is with dissipation, so after some times, due to the heat and the balls collide, there is some heat release and friction in the air, and also between the ropes and the stand, so there is a dispersion. But the conservation of momentum doesn't mean if I hit one ball, there could be one ball jump. If I hit one ball, there could be two balls jump on the other side with less speed. Or if I hit, then three balls jump on the other side. Why it's so? Because there is a space between the balls. So when I release the first ball, it interacts only with the next neighbor. They transfer the momentum, it's the first hit, then the ball starts to move and hit the next ball next to it. There is a collision between them, then is a collision between the next, and the momentum is transferred in the chain. Then the last one jumps because it doesn't get anyone to hit, and then it's going back the same direction. That's why if I release one ball, only one ball jumps on the other side. If they are glued, then it will be a different story, but they are not glued because there is a space between them. That's why only one jump on the other side. Okay, if you like, then please give a thumb up. If you want to see more videos for physics and science, subscribe to the channel. Thank you, bye.